Hello everyone. Let us continue our indices, okay? We have so many questions there, right? I'll make sure I will treat all of them so that no question from these indices will confuse anyone that is interested in my mathematics, right? The question on board says 50x raised to the power 3 all over 2 equals to 32x raised to the power minus 1 all over 2. Let's solve. Now, we now have 50x raised to the power 3 over 2 equals to. Then we now solve for this minus up here. Removing this minus up here, it means raising the coefficient of this x to be numerator, okay, which will now be 32 all over x raised to power 1 over 2. Can you see that the minus sign is no longer there? It has gone out as a result of this numerator raising the coefficient of x to become numerator, okay? I have treated so many questions from that. Now let us continue solving. Now cross multiplying, we now have here all over 1. We now cross multiply, which we will now have 50x raised to the power 3 over 2 times this x now, because this one up here will times the one down here, times x raised to the power 1 over 2 equals to 1 times 32. We now have, since this x and x have the same place and it is under multiplication law, in indices we will add the power. We will add the power together, which we will now pick only one x, okay, and add the powers. We now have now 50. We now pick only one x and add the power 3 over 2 plus 1 all over 2 equals to 32. Please remember that this one is 32, okay? Now, we continue. We now add it. They have the same denominator, okay? Since they have the same denominator, we will pick one of them. Now have 50x raised to power. We now pick one of the denominator, which is 2, okay? And add the numerator, which is 3 plus 1, which will give us 4, equals to 32, which is now 50 raised to power x. 2 divided 4 will give us 2, equals to 32. Now we will now make x raised to power 2 subject of formula. We now have x raised to power 2 equals to 32 all over 50. That dividing both sides by 50. Okay, now which we will continue by making x subject of formula. We now find the square root of both sides, which will now be x equals to square root 32 all over 50. Square root 32 all over 50. Square root 32 all over 50, which is equals to, let us reduce 32 and 50, okay, by dividing both of them by 2, which will still have square root. 32 divided by 2 will give us 16. All over 50 divided by 2 will give us 25, okay. Now, square root 16 is 4 over square root 25 is 5. So this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. This is the answer. 4 all over 5. This is how to solve it, okay. Thank you so much. Please share it and comment on that and like it. Make sure you follow and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.